Hey guys, Miss Fleming again, here to help you with some more of your math. This looks a little different than the last video I did. I had a whiteboard up, but I'm going to try just having the worksheet that you're working on. I thought that you could see the worksheet in the last video, but technology, it got me. So this worksheet is just having you focus on solely finding the mean. Again, the mean is when you add all the numbers together and then divide by how many there are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we have to add them all together first for number 1. So 5 plus 10, that's a 0, I promise, is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 13 is 32, plus 20 is 52, plus 3 is 55. All right, so we got all our numbers added together. Now let's double check, make sure there are 5 or 6 numbers. I forgot what I said. 1, 2, what? Some reason we were making just straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we know we need to take 55 and divide it by 6. I'll write this here for now, and then I'll move it again. All right. So 6 divided by 55. And I want to point out in the directions, it specifically says find the mean or the average of each set of numbers and round your answer to the nearest tenth. So unlike the first worksheet, not all of these answers are going to come out completely even. We may have some remainders or decimals. So let's get to it. 6 goes into 5 0 times. 6 times 0 is 0. 50, oops, silly me. 55. 6 goes into 55. Let's see. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. 9 times. 6 times 9 is 54. 55 minus 54 is 1. So this is going to have a remainder. So you just kind of extend onto it, but with your decimal. So we bring down an imaginary 0. 6 goes into 10 one time. 6 times 1 is 6. I think I can scroll this down. Nope. So I'll just do it on the other side. 6 goes into 1 6 times. Oh, sorry guys. Getting frustrated on how to show this to you without making too much of a mess of it. 6 times 1 is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Would bring down a 0. 6 goes into 40. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. That's too high. So 6 goes into 40 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. 4 minus 3 is, well, we can't do that. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down a 0 again. It's going to be repeating. So we know we have another 6 here. It's just telling us to go to the tens. The first number after the decimal is the tens. So we have a 1 here. We look back. 6 is higher than 5, so we'd round up. So our answer should be 9.2. Let's scroll down, see if I'm right. Number 1, 9.2. Ooh, ooh. All right. Like I said in my other videos, I'm not going to do every problem with you. I erased my note again. I'm not going to do every problem, but I'll do a few. Because some of them are trickier than others, and it's just nice to have a little work through. So we did number 1. Let's see, this worksheet has 15 problems. Let's do number 10. So first, we have to add them all together and then divide by how many there are. So number 10, we have 15 plus 16. 5 plus 6 is 11. 31 plus 11 is 42. Plus 6 is 48. Plus 12 is 4, 5, 6, 60. So we are going to divide by 60. And we are going to figure out the number that we're dividing 60 by counting how many total numbers that we have in our problem. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that the total of all the numbers added together is 60, and we know there are 5 numbers that we use to get to that, so we're dividing 60 by 5. 5 goes into 6 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is, I said the answer. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down the 0. 5 goes into 10 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. We don't have a remainder. Our answer for number 10 should be 12. Let's go check it out. Number 10, 12. Ooh, look at that. And I'll do one more for you guys. I'll do, oops, I forgot to erase a couple things. I will do number 15. So let's get my little drawing tool. So we have 2 plus 16, which is 18, plus 14. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Plus 16. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 15. 8 plus 5 is 13. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. Then we'll do 63 plus 12. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 75 plus 14. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. So our total is 89. So however many numbers there are, we need to divide 89 by that. We got to figure this out first. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 total numbers, so we need to divide 89 by 7. Where's my eraser? All right. So 7 divided by 89. 7 goes into 8 one time. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down the 9. 7 goes into 19. 7, 14, 21. So just 2 times. Hold on a second. My little face is in the way. Where was I? 7 goes into 19 2 times. 7 times 2 is 14. 9 minus 4 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. We need to put a decimal because we're not going to have a whole number. It's going to have a remainder. So we bring down a 0. 7 goes into 50, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. So 8 times 7 is 56. That's too high, so we have to do 7 times 7, which is 49. So we put a 7 here. 7 times 7 is 49. Take that. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 1, 4 is 0. Bring down another 0. 7 goes into 10 one time. 7 times 1 is 7. And then that remainder would be 3. But by looking at this, I have my ones place here, which if we remember, it asked us to round to the nearest. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wait, that one's tens. It's been a minute since I've done this, so bear with me and my worries and then realizations that there was nothing to be worried about. The tenths is here. We know that this number is 1, so even if the thousandths place rounded up, it still wouldn't be big enough to change this to a number that would change this. So all we have to do is look at it. 7, 1 is less than 5, so we keep it the same. So our answer for number 15 should be 12.7. Let's go check that out. 15, 12.7. Yay! So if you want any more help or if you have any more questions, just let me know. And I hope you guys are staying safe, enjoying some of the nice weather we have, and are learning stuff. All right, guys.